should I focus on budget optimization or bid optimization? This is the question I got from an Amazon seller. So think of it like you are at a buffet. Bid optimization is like choosing what food to eat, which tastes best. And budget optimization is like deciding how much food you are going to take so you don't overeat. Both are important, but if you are trying to get most out of your meal, you want to focus on what's on your plate first. That's your bid. So let's dive deeper because both have their place of importance, but one tends to have a bigger impact than the other. So let's break it down in simple steps so you can understand the different aspects and you can maximize your ad strategy. So, oops. So first of all, what is bid optimization? I'll go over quickly. Bid optimization is all about setting the right bid for your keyword or target in your campaigns. This is where you adjust your bids to make sure you are getting the best ad placement without overspending. For example, if you are selling smartphones, you might want to increase the bid for keyword like best smartphones or affordable smartphones. To ensure your ad shows up in prime position by bid optimization, you are getting more visibility for the right keywords, which leads to more conversion. And our main goal on Amazon is to get conversion. So if you want to improve your ad performance quickly and see a significant impact on ad placement and click-through rates, bid optimization is key. Think of it like fine-tuning the volume on your speaker to get the best sound quality. Because if you have like high budget, okay, high budget but low bid, so that means you are showing Amazon, hey, I have this amount of cash but I'm not gonna spend that much. So low bid will actually won't give you any impressions or clicks or less clicks if you are not going too much down. What is budget optimization? On other hand, budget optimization is about making sure your overall ad spend stays within your set limits. If you are targeting highly competitive keywords, you might end up bidding higher to compete, which can lead to overspending. If you are not careful, budget optimization helps you control your ad spend, especially when you are seeing high bids or spending too much on underperforming keywords. It's like having a spending cap at the buffet, deciding how much you are willing to spend to avoid going over budget. If high bids are eating into your budget too quickly, this is where budget optimization comes into play. So you can see the importance of both sides. Okay, you can if you have like $50 budget and your average CPC is $5, okay, you will get only 10 clicks, or I think 20. Oh, sorry, no, actually it's 10, my bad. You will get 10 clicks. So which one is important? While both optimization strategies are important, bid optimization tends to have more an immediate impact on your Amazon PPC. Mm, this Why? Because adjusting your bids directly affects your ad visibility and click-through rates, which directly translate into sales opportunities. Think of it like this: if you are competing for the top spot in search results, adjusting your bid allows you to win that auction. Without good bid optimization, even if you have a decent budget, your ads might not even show up in the right places. That's what I was talking about. Like if you have like high budget and your bid is very low, your ad won't show up on the search result page. So imagine if this is a search result page and these are the products. This is the headline. Your ad won't appear here in these search results. But on the other side, if someone have low budget but their bids are high, they might appear on uh, Because of low budget, they cannot show up whole day on the search result page. But even though if they show up in for the less amount of time, or for example like for 5 hours or 6 hours, they will eventually get the sales because they are actually being visible, rather than someone who is not visible at all in front of the customer. So you actually first of all need to adjust your bid, and budget optimization will be your second priority. When should you use budget optimization? While bid optimization often has more immediate impact, budget optimization is crucial when you are dealing with higher bids for specific keywords. For example, when you are using exact match keywords, exact, and like 1 to 2 keyword phrases, and you are targeting them as an exact match. For example, you can go after like something like smartphones, um, LG smartphones, Nokia smartphones, BlackBerry smartphones, like 1 to 2 keywords, because they are highly competitive, highly competitive. So if you find that high bids are pushing your overall spend too far beyond your target, budget optimization can help you there. So here you will go and adjust your budgets, can help you allocate your budget more effectively across campaigns. For example, if you are bidding $2 per click for a highly competitive keyword but want to limit your total spend, you can use budget optimization to ensure you don't overspend. It's like controlling your plate size at the buffet to make sure you don't pile too much on waste food. So, for example, if you have like daily budget of $50, okay, so with $2 bid, you will get 25 clicks. Yeah, $2 bid will give you 25 clicks. So if you know like you get conversion, you can go in your Amazon search and report, and you can see the data after how many clicks you are getting the conversion. So for example, if you are getting conversion after 6 clicks, okay, then allocating $50 for $2 bid will be for your Amazon PPC strategy, and it will make you more profitable. Combine both for best results. Ideally, you want to combine bid and budget optimization. Start by optimizing your bid. So first of all, you have to optimize your bids to ensure your ads get the best placement. Once you have done that, use budget optimization. That will be your secondary option in order to make your advertising profitable. To control the total spend and ensure that you are staying within your overall budget limits. It's like balancing your appetite, adjusting your portion size. That means budget. After you have picked the best dishes like bids, together they will help you get the best results without breaking the bank. So these are my whole strategy. So I've made sure like you get the most out of from this video, and you now understand like what you need to do in order to maximize your Amazon PPC. And that's what I do for my clients. You can see in last 7 days, by spending $3,000 in ad spend, we have generated almost $10,000 in sales. And in last 30 days, by spending $12,000 in ad spend, we have generated $38,000 in sales. So if you want these kind of results for your brand, uh, you can book a call with me. Link is in the description. Have a great day.